Hello, welcome to A to Z. Today we are going to be unboxing and going over a few of the little key features of our new Aqua-8, which is set to drop here in about a couple weeks. It'll just be whenever we get our shipment in. Alright, so go ahead and open up your box. You're going to find your manual and your tubing packet. It looks like this. It'll contain 2 tubes, so that way you have a replacement set. You can go ahead and pull the actual unit out of your box. On the top part of your foam, you'll have the insert for your diffuser stones. Make sure not to throw them away because it does happen and people are usually not too happy whenever they throw away their ozone diffuser stones. So, alright. So there's a few little different key features about this unit as compared to our Aqua-6, which would be the previous model. One of the key features is that it does have an oxygen in. So if you want to run it with oxygen instead of running it with your ambient air, you have that ability to do. The control panel is now located on the top of the unit instead of the face of the unit, how it used to be. It's a little bit smaller in size. It will also put out 200 milligrams more of ozone per hour than the Aqua-6. Otherwise, its timing functions are pretty much the same. It just adds a 30-second timer on it in case you wanted to do something for 30 seconds, such as like a mouthwash or something like that. Also, our functions panel will be on the bottom of your unit instead of the back side of the unit like it was on the Aqua-6. It has the ability to turn your fan on and off. It will also tell you if your fan is functioning, your ozone is functioning, or your air pump is functioning. So it'll tell you if one of those is not actually working properly, so then you know to go ahead and give us a call to get it serviced. Over here you have your oxygen in, where you would connect it if you want to hook up oxygen to it to create a better, pure ozone. We are also working on a air dryer for this unit also, so that way you'd have the ability to have an air dryer on it if you wanted. Not to be continued, but for our future models of this, we are going to have a indicator light on the front, so that way you'd be able to tell with just looking at your unit if something is wrong instead of having to look at your control panel. That is not in this unit yet, but it will be coming shortly. It's the next step in this unit's life is to have your LED indicator for the front to tell if anything is going wrong with your unit. As for that pretty much covers the whole what is new about this. So just to recap, you have an oxygen port that you can have pure oxygen going into your unit. You have your LED indicators here to tell you if something is going wrong with your unit, such as the ozone, the air pump, or the fan inside the unit has gone bad. And then it also has 200 more milligrams of ozone per hour. If you connect your oxygen, you'll get that full amount. Otherwise, you're going to be looking at your 30% roughly of what will actually be produced with your ambient air.